An advent calendar with a book and a goat. Yes, we have the Beekman 1802 advent calendar for 2024, and it came with a book, a storybook about a goat. Everything in here contains or was made with goat milk. Oh, this could be interesting. Yes, let's go and find out what the goat gave us. This is a daily moisturizer called Bloom Cream. And I like how on the side of their boxes it says there is beauty in kindness. Oh, that's very nice. Yes, I thought so. So Bloom Cream is a daily moisturizer with goat milk and milk probiotic. This is a facial toner called Milkshake. And the reason is you need to shake it to combine the two ingredients. And then you can give your face a spritz. This is a body cream, gingerbread, ginger cream cookie. And yes, there is a little gingerbread man on the side of it, so it's along the lines of a gingerbread cookie, I guess. It says goat milk whipped body cream. Oh, how fun and exciting. Yeah. Next up is a golden booster. This looks like a serum. Golden booster alma berry. What's an alma berry? I have no idea. Anyone out there know? Alma berry vitamin C serum. A brightening serum powered by alma, a naturally potent source of vitamin C. Learned something new on that one. With alma berry, vitamin C, ashwagandha, and basil. Lots of fun things to try. Definitely, I'm excited for this box. This is a goat milk lip balm called Sunshine Lemon. And it comes in a fancy little thing that then you pop it out of that container and voila, there it is. So it comes with its own carrying case, or you could use it, carry it around just like this. This is a oat and goat milk facial scrub. Exfoliating facial cleanser with oat and goat milk. So I'm guessing this would be good for sensitive skin with the oatness of it. And on the back here, free of fragrance, yay, free of fragrance, sulfates, parabens, mineral oil, alcohol, phthalates, synthetic colorants, formaldehyde, and talc, because yuck. In the first half of this advent calendar, there are 4 different soaps. And we started out with Pure, which is just a plain fragrance-free goat milk body soap. That was then followed by Vanilla Absolute, and I've taken a sniff, me too, it smells heavenly. Glacial Mint and Eucalyptus. This has a bit of an overpowering scent. I want to see if it settles down a little bit just being out of the calendar box for a while. This, I think, though, could be a good one if you wind up with a little sinus congestion or stuffy nose, stuffy head, that type of thing. I think this will help clear the sinuses. And honeyed grapefruit. Oh, wow. That's quite a collection of soaps. Yes, it is. We have a goat milk cuticle serum called Pure. So I'm guessing, since the soap said it was fragrance-free, I'm going to take a wild guess that this cream cuticle serum is also fragrance-free. That says potato peel. Yes, it says potato peel. Definitely caught my attention. Mine too. Potato peel rapid resurfacing milk facial with 15% glycolic acid, 10% lactobionic and lactic acid, and potato pulp. That's new and different. I've never tried anything with potato pulp. After looking at the first half of the calendar, Anne is trying to decide on her favorites. And I have to admit, I've never tried anything from Beekman 1802. So everything in here is looking like a favorite just because I'm curious to see what it's going to be like. Something new and different. I mean, this brand has been around a while. This was just my first opportunity to get some of it at a, I don't want to say decent price, but at a price point where I could try a variety of products to see what I liked. If I had to pick my top 2 to 3 from this half of the calendar, I think I would go with the Sunshine Lemon Lip Balm, the potato peel, just because I'm curious as all get out to know what in the world potato peel does for you. How about you? What did you see that you liked? Have you tried any of these? Let us know down below in the comments, because I am a nosy camel. I want to know all the details. Tell me, tell me, tell me. And now, moving right along with this calendar. This is called Lilac Dream Hand Cream. I will admit, lilac is not my favorite scent, so there is a possibility of this one getting passed along as a gift. Yet, it's nice to know there was a hand cream in this calendar. There is also a lilac lip balm, so it too will probably be passed along as a gift down the line. But interesting to know, lilac in a lip balm. That's not a combination that I would have thought to put together. This says Omega Milk. She is a tiny one. But not all the products have to be big size. There's been a lot of big ones in here already. Omega Milk Fermented Barrier Boosting Facial Oil. These say kindness. They are reusable eye masks. You put them on after you have applied your serum or your under eye cream. You put these on, and then after about 10 to 20 minutes, take them off and you can wash these and reuse them. How neat is that? This hand cream I'm definitely excited to see because it's lemon scented. Ooh, that sounds exciting. Sunshine Lemon Goat Milk Hand Cream with goat milk, botanical oils, and extracts. I don't know if I'm going to use it now or maybe save it to the spring or summer. I haven't decided. Glacial Mint and Eucalyptus. This is a whipped body cream. I have a feeling, for me at least, it's going to be a little bit strong for all over the person. However, not that I want to get sick this holiday season yet, I'm wondering if anyone remember Vicks Vapor Rub? I'm wondering if putting a little of this in this area might help with the breathing at night. This is honey and orange blossom whipped cream. Yes, and by whipped cream, it's a whipped body cream. It's not an edible product. I know, don't eat the products. That's right. This sounds interesting. And these all have good safety seals because normally I can get a little sniff through a safety seal. I can't get any sniffs through their safety seals. Mushroom milk. They make milk from mushrooms? That's what this says. 5% hexapeptide wrinkle smoothing eye cream. Yep, that says mushroom milk. The scent of this spiced orange soap. Oh my goodness. This is great. I'll never come out of the tub. You'll be a waterlogged camel. This does smell really good though. It really does. This is quite some advent calendar. I am impressed. This is Milk Drops Ceramide Serum, delivering a lit from within glow while instantly hydrating. This one is called Dream Booster. Bakchuli Better Aging Serum, an age-defying serum to help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Interesting. I know that, because it's got bakchuli, squalene, and basil in here, I know that sometimes bakchuli and squalene aggravate my allergies a little bit. So this may get passed along, yet still, like I said, I'm tickled to get this calendar and be able to try these products and see what I like, because I've never tried anything from this company before. And the last item is just too stinking cute. Apparently, collecting the goatee pin is the thing. So we now have our first goatee pin, and there it is. Oh my goodness. Look at it. In this half of the calendar, I would say my two favorites or my two most intriguing items are the reusable under eye patches and the mushroom milk. What did you see that you liked? Let me know, because this nosy camel continues to be nosy. And now she wants to take a quick look at the nitty-gritty. Taking a quick look at the nitty-gritty, the calendar was $179 with a retail of $403. And I think they came through with that retail. 24 days, $7.46 a day. And yeah, I think I'd give you $7.46 for each of those items. This is my first venture into the Beekman 1802 realm. So I'm excited to get to try products, a variety of products from their line at a good price point. Thanks for watching today. Have you been following our Advent unboxings? If not, you really should go back and check some out. Like, comment, notification bell. What else are you supposed to do? Subscribe. We got a lot going on this holiday season. There's shorts every day at 5:15 p.m. Don't forget to go back and check those out. We hope to see you in another video. Thanks for watching.